Long time no see. We are currently in a little bit outside of Hua Hin, Thailand, in southern Thailand. We have rented a Honda Click, this little 125cc moped here. And today we are going to go check out the Palau Waterfall, which is on the border of Burma and Thailand. It's about an hour drive from here. Supposedly you may see some, they said it's possible to see elephants on the way, so yeah, let's get going. So I figured we'd slow down for a second just to tell you where we are. So let me pull out the map here. We are obviously right there with that little arrow. And this is the waterfall that we're going to, the Palau Waterfall. And this here, this line, hopefully you can see this, is the border between Burma and Thailand. So we've got about 31 miles left to go. So it's going to take 57 minutes. There we go. Palau Waterfall, 33 kilometers. So, since we still have some time, I figure we go and see if we can get over to the left here, up the side of that mountain. I think you can't really see it because I've got the GoPro mounted to my chest, but we're going to take a little detour here and see how far we can get, and hopefully not try to get plowed over by some cow. Try to not wreck the scooter in the process. So it looks like we've got to be over there on the right. This thing definitely does not have the suspension of a dirt bike. Or we go up there. That's the plan. Oh, I don't know if we're going to be able to cross. All right, let's try to not go ass over tea kettle here. Good thing these are light. Okay. So this could also be a video titled "How to Off-Road in a Honda Click." Here we go. This is the road we want to be on. Perfect. All right. Can't go flying up here, or I'm going to be flying off this road. Bit of a hill climb here. Good thing it's hard, at least. I wouldn't want to do this after a good rain. Problem with these scooters is you can't really use your legs to hold on to it. It's just you're kind of sat on it. So you go over one big bump, you're going to be flying very quickly. In my defense, I did try to rent a dirt bike, but they said they weren't available, so this is called making the best of it, I guess. Losing traction here. These road tires are not the best. Okay, we'll give this thing a break. Quite the view from up here. It looks like down there we can even take this road farther. And maybe it will, I'm not sure where it will go. Well, we'll go and we'll check it out, but wow, take in that view. Now you know, if you come to Hua Hin, don't rent the blue Honda Quick with the 5033 license plate. Okay, sliding a little bit. All right, we need to go right here. Hell of a road here. I don't want to come down here too fast because these tires are absolute dog shit on this dirt. Wow. Got a bit of a hill climb here. I want to stop. Oh, it doesn't look like that goes anywhere. this is like an excavator track or something. I saw a decent road down here, so I can only hope that it connects. Otherwise, it's bushwhacking back up through that crap. Coming out to a regular road. Here we go, we did a little loop. Good enough. Alright, well, I'll see you guys back out at the main road. So we've come across some sort of an elephant crossing here. Well, we didn't see any elephants. Bit of elephant scat, but other than that, no elephants. Okay, another elephant crossing sign here, so maybe we still have a chance to see an elephant or two. So, unfortunately, we didn't see an elephant, but we are coming up on the waterfall. Hello. How much? Oh, okay. Thank you. So we got our ticket. Now we're gonna go and check out this waterfall. Hello. Thank you. This way. So now I can tell you a little bit about this waterfall. Apparently it has something like 15 levels, and if you get to the top, you can see Burma. You have a very good view of Burma and Thailand from the top. I have heard though that once you pass level 5, it becomes very, very difficult to continue the ascent there. Coming up on level 2 here. Wow, that's spectacular. Well, I hope this video doesn't turn out to be like a hiking simulator or something. Oh, I don't know if you can see the lizard right there. A skink of some sort. Okay, well now we know why they put these ropes here. Okay, Mr. Butterfly, let me get through here, please. So we're finally coming on level 3 here, and it is quite the hike. If they say that level 1 to 5 is easy and we're on level 3 and we're already climbing like this, I can't even imagine what it's like going from level 5 to 15. Massive tree there, wow. Okay, approaching level 5 in 120 meters. Okay, well, let me try to not get hit in the head with a stick. Looks like level 5, we've got to cross over there. Well, this is definitely not wheelchair accessible. Point. Aside from the signs, the only other way to tell the direction that we should be going in is by these ropes that are look like they've due for a bit of a replacement. Alright, level 5. Still no fishing and no diving. Not really sure how we keep going from here. Looks like some sort of a path here. Looks like the path continues up that way. Well, now it's starting to look like we very much have to just make our own trail here, which, to be honest, I'm not super psyched to do. So we'll see how much farther we can get like this before calling it quits, because I'm definitely not going to bushwhack up 10 levels of waterfall. Yeah, I think that's about it for us. I don't feel like wading in this water here to get up, and we haven't even made it to level 6 yet, so. Some cows here. That's quite the view though. Cow looks awful skinny. Wow. Well, we're gonna try it now. This is not the best way to go down. But we're going down now. If I can get my weight to the back, we can... we're doing all right. Hopefully just don't pop a tire going down. All right, we've made it down. I think we're coming to some sort of a construction site, it looks like. This road isn't getting much better. Hello. Very friendly. Turn up the construction site. No problem. Looks like the cows want to, they're a little bit scared. Well, let's see what a Thai construction site looks like, shall we? Or maybe a Thai gravel pit. Very slippery with these road tires, though, I think. Well, that looks like the end of that. There we go for the dust. Yeah, but doesn't look like this is a road either. There you go. There we go. Got some air on that one. Let's see what's down here. I think we got that suspension in the back. Wow, this is quite the dirt road. This one is cold. Huh? It's cold. Okay, I translate. Do you have a cold one?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
No. Okay.
Yes,
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Kínเลยเหรอ
Yeah. Drink. You have the straw. This one.
Good
Good.
Okay
One more.
อีกลูกนึงพี่
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Sweet.
Oh, very sweet. Very good. Good. Where are the elephants?
What?
The elephant. I drive it.
ทางนู้น
No.
Too hot.
If be everything evening and tonight.
Tonight. Evening. Okay. Evening.
คือแก่ถูก
Mister is 2 pack.
Drink.
Okay.
Drink. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
ตัวนี้น้ำบริสุทธิ์
Do you have a spoon?
No. เอาช้อนให้แกคันนึง
Oh, okay. Very good.
Give me.
Yeah.
For you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Must be looks like an aloe vera farm. Where the hell does this go? Okay, head in. Hopefully I don't bring this thing back in like, I don't know, multiple pieces.